is blockchain? Everything you need to know. This article is written by Mike Moore, but is from techradar.com. Question they ask is, what is blockchain? Like much of the technology world, cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin still relies on some form of database that are able to track large volumes of transactions and keep them secure. The solution used by many of the world's largest digital currencies is blockchain. First implemented in 2009, the technology consists of blocks that hold batches of timestamp transactions, which each block linked to the previous one through cryptographics, thus forming a chain. As the world becomes even more smarter and interconnected, cryptocurrencies have become an increasingly attractive proposition for growing markets that may not have traditional banking infrastructure. Several developing third world nations have implemented blockchain based national currencies, and the technology is also used by several major charity projects to help those without banking accounts. However, blockchain also offers the possibility of creating a fraud proof system for transacting exchanges. This, therefore, gives it huge potential for use outside of digital currency spheres, helping attract interest not just amongst traditional financial institutions, but in areas as diverse as manufacturing, food production, and many more. Okay, guys, let me know what you think about blockchain. Is this a good example of what a blockchain is? Or did this article teach you what blockchain is? Do I need to go into a deeper dive about blockchain? All right, guys, like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you later.